Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Muhammad Ali. Hope you are doing well. We are going to discuss about um, type of sentences, different type of sentences, and its identification. Um, there are different type of sentences, and its identification is not so difficult if we try to focus on the basic identification method. We can identify easily the given sentence, like all the sentences that starts noun or pronoun. All the sentences that has noun or pronoun in starts and ending on a full stop or period is called assertive pronouns. Assertive sentences, sorry. The sentence can be assertive or declarative if the first word of the sentence is noun or pronoun. With noun or pronoun. If the sentence starts with noun or pronoun, we can say this is the type of assertive sentence. So this can be its identification. If the sentence starts with noun or pronoun, this sentence can be called assertive sentence. The next is if the sentence starts with, as in if the sentence starts with any WH word or helping verb. If the sentence starts from helping verbs or WH word and there is question mark at the end of the sentence, we can say the sentence is interrogative. So we can say all those sentences that starts from any WH word or helping verb are called interrogative sentences. This sentence consists of any question sentence or question statement. All these sentences are called interrogative sentences. The next is imperative sentence. All those sentences that starts from uh, verb, first form of verb, do not, please, or kindly. All those sentences that starts with first form of verb, do not, please, or kindly are called imperative sentences. And there is a full stop at the end of sentence. So we can say this is the type of imperative sentence. The next is optative sentence. So what is the identification of optative sentence? This is not so difficult to identify the sentence. Optative sentence, like the other ones, optative sentence starts with may or would that. If the sentence starts with may or would that, we can say that is the sentence of optative. That is optative sentence. May is used for at the start of a sentence, or would that at the start of sentence is called optative sentence. The next one is Exclamatory. All those sentence that starts with exclamatory word or what or how at the start of the sentence, we can say this. This is the type of exclamatory sentence. Like, this is the identification of the sentences. I can repeat for you. If the sentence starts with any noun or pronoun, we can say this. This is the type of assertive sentence. And interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are those sentences that starts with any WH word or helping verb. It creates the sense of interrogation, and there is a question mark at the end of sentence. So we can say that this is the interrogative sentence. The next one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence or the sentence that starts with verb do not, please, kindly. All those sentences that starts from with these words are called imperative sentences. And the next one is operative sentence. Operative sentence is that starts with may or would that. All those sentences starts with may or would that are called operative sentence. The next and the last type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences are starts with how, what, or a loss. All these sentences are called exclamatory sentence if they are starts with these words. And there is exclamation mark at the end of a sentence. So we can say this. This is a type of exclamatory sentences. There are also different other types of sentence also that I can explain. There are different types of sentence that are function wise, sentence, and structure wise sentence. First of all, I can explain that what is a sentence. A sentence is the meaningful group of words that has a sense is called a sentence. There are different type of sentence like that. We can some of this explain from here for you. And next, I am trying to discuss function-wise sentences and structure-wise sentences. Function-wise sentences are assertive, interrogative, imperative, operative, and exclamatory. And the structure-wise sentence are simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. And function-wise sentence we can already discuss in this lecture. But I mentioned these all function-wise sentence here, like assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, And the last one is exclamatory sentence. But we are going to discuss about structure-wise sentences. The first one is simple sentence. The simple sentence is that has one main verb and single concept, single main verb, and single sense is called simple sentence. For example, I eat an apple. This is an example of simple sentence. You know, this sentence has only single main verb and single thought. This is called simple sentence. And the compound sentence is the combination of two or more simple sentences that can be joined with any um, compound sentence, and it is joined with or combined with a conjunction that that is called coordinate conjunction. Compound sentence has any coordinate conjunction like I am reading but he is playing. I am reading but he is playing. You can see this. I am reading is also a simple sentence, and he is playing is also the example of a simple sentence, and joined it with the help of conjunction, and the conjunction is coordinate conjunction. If there is a sentence joined by the conjunction with the coordinate conjunction is called compound sentence, and if there is used any subordinate conjunction to make it a single sentence, this is called complex sentence, and the conjunction is subordinate conjunction. For example, he will pause if he works hard. This is example of complex sentence. You can see there is subordinate conjunction in the mid of the sentence to join two different type of clauses and make it a sentence. So this is the sentence of complex sentence, and the conjunction is subordinate conjunction. Thank you so much.